Hi and welcome back to day 55 of 100 social media tips. Ever wondered how to do those TikTok vlogs that people are posting where they have voiceover content over their videos? Let me just show you how easy it is to do this. What we want to do is add in our TikTok videos. Let's just grab some from my camera roll. I'm going to use a bunch of different clips. You can use just one clip or you can select as many as you want. Today, I'm going to just grab all these ones I want to use as a vlog. And then what we do is click next, and it will just take a minute, but TikTok will automatically sync the videos together to match a sound. What you can do is delete the audio that's being used, and then now the clips are back to their original duration. So first what I'm going to do is actually put together my video that I want. So these videos here, some of them in landscape, and I don't necessarily want to include them. So let me just get rid of all of these. So delete, delete. I want to use this clip but use bigger. So, okay. So I have my video here, and if I just play it through, it's just the background audio of the video, which I don't want, and I want to add a voiceover effect. What I can do is first click this button, which will mute all the audio. And then what you want to do is click sound and then click the voiceover effect. Next, I can go ahead and start recording what I want to say. It takes practice getting used to it to do it all in one take. You can redo the takes as many times as you want, honestly. So, new Japanese restaurant in Perth. So my friend Katie and I went and visited Oh, let's fix that up. And then we can just drag this to what we don't want. New Japanese restaurant in Perth. So let's split this, delete this section, and then just start again. Okay. My friend found this restaurant on TikTok and we just had to check it out. Okay. And then we can just drag that there. New Japanese restaurant in Perth. So my friend found, okay, there's a bit of an error there. Get rid of that. Shorten this clip there. You can adjust where it starts and stops and then just go back into it here. Again, you can do this in as many takes as it takes you. Yeah, so basically you can just keep going, adding in your voiceover, going through the video, cutting it apart to exactly where you want things to be. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.